Today, I'll show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 not launching from Steam on your PC. If you're here, it's probably because you're eager to jump into a game but are hitting a snag with launching. Don't worry, this tutorial will guide you through a series of steps to resolve this issue and get you back to gaming in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Steam app open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch Steam now. It's important to start from the Steam app because all the steps we'll be doing are located within it. Once you have Steam open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam logo. Click on that logo to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find the settings we need to adjust. Now, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. The Settings menu is crucial because it controls many of the configurations for your Steam client, including downloads and cache management. In the Settings menu, look for the Downloads section. Click on Downloads to bring up options related to your game downloads. This area controls how your games are downloaded and stored, and it's the key to resolving our issue. Here, you'll want to find the option labeled Clear Download Cache. This is a helpful tool that can resolve many issues related to game downloads and updates. Sometimes, a corrupted cache can prevent your game from launching, so clearing it might just do the trick. Once you've found Clear Download Cache, click on it. You'll be prompted to confirm this action. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the cache will refresh the download data and could solve launching issues without affecting your installed games. With the cache cleared, the next step is to click on Library in the top menu. The Library section is where all your installed games are listed. Here, you can manage your games, including verifying the integrity of the game files. In your library, find Counter-Strike 2 and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options related to the game. From the menu, click on Properties. This action will open a new window with several tabs related to the game's settings and files. In the Properties window, switch to the Installed Files tab. This tab allows you to manage the files associated with your game. Now, you're looking for the option to Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on this option. What this does is it checks the game files for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them if necessary. It's a great way to ensure that everything is in working order and can often resolve issues related to launching and running the game. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and successfully launch Counter-Strike 2 from Steam on your PC. Remember, these steps help ensure that your game files are intact and that your Steam cache is fresh and up to date. If you still experience issues, it might be worth checking your system specifications against the game's requirements or seeking further assistance from Steam support. Happy gaming!